Guys, Saturday install out here in Colorado. Took off the old unit already. Got slapped in this ACIQ system. Y'all gonna see, check it out. Just a quick change up. Lines has been cut off. Young Hoss is on his way downstairs. I got this change up.
There it is.
The bullshit you see out here in Colorado. Just duct tape and hopes and dreams. Sometimes they even do packing tape. Chris got the new coil right here. A proper 21-inch coil for a 21-inch furnace. Gotta push this shit real quick. Prepping it for install. That's it right here. Actually done the right way, not the sloppy way. Shout out to Big Oz. This is it right here.